Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix posts not loading on X, formerly Twitter. So to fix this kind of problem you have just to go to X, and if you don't see anything here in the main screen of the app, you should figure out one of the things that I will tell you now. So first of all, you should be sure that the internet is working properly on your app, and to check this you have to go to settings, and after that go to cellular. After that scroll down, and when you find the apps, click on show all, and after that go to the search and click on it and type X to find the app. Click on it, and here you should be sure that the option that you are choosing is WLAN and cellular data, because if you are choosing WLAN only, that means that the app will work only if you are connected to Wi-Fi, and if you are choosing off, that means that there is no internet on your app. That's why it's better to put it on WLAN and cellular data. Also, another thing that you can do is to be sure that your app is up to date, and to check that you have to go to the App Store, and after that type X and go to the app, and be sure that the blue icon next to the logo of your app is open and not update. And if it's update, that means you have to update your app, because sometimes if the app that you have is outdated, that will not let it work properly. And if this also didn't work, so the last solution is to uninstall the app, because when you are using an iPhone you can't empty the cache of the app. So that's why it's better to uninstall it and install it again. And to delete it, you have just to go long press on it. After that, click on remove app, and after that, click on delete app. And after that, you have just to go to the Play Store and download the app again and log into your account. And I'm pretty sure that one of these three solutions will work for you. And you have to be sure that there is no technical problem in the app, because sometimes it's rarely to happen, but sometimes it happens that there is a problem in the app itself, in the servers of the app itself. So it's better, if all the solution didn't work for you, to leave the app maybe for 1 hour and get back to it and try to open your account again. And I'm pretty sure that one of these solutions will work for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see